Hello, discrete math fans. We're going to introduce some symbols now. These are three symbols that are used to build more complicated logical expressions out of simpler ones. All right, the first one is this little squiggly. That means not. Given a statement P, then the sentence squiggly P is read not P, or sometimes you could say it is not the case that P is true. So now, when you see this expression, we're just going to read it not P. So not P is called the negation of P. There are lots of ways you can write the negation of P. There are many different symbols. Instead of a squiggly, there's sort of like a little sideways L, or P with a bar, or even negative P, an exclamation mark in front of P, or even P prime. In this class, we're going to stick with this squiggly, but there are other notations that can be used, and so you should be aware of that. Then there's this symbol, which looks like a V. It means or. So if you're given two statements, P and Q, the sentence P or Q is a new logical expression. P or Q is called the disjunction of P and Q. There are lots of different ways of writing this. P plus Q, P with a vertical bar, Q, P with a double vertical bar, Q. Or sometimes you just want to write P or Q like this, and that's all right too. I'm going to stick with this V symbol in this class. Our third symbol is an upside down V. That means and. So given statements P and Q, the sentence P and Q is a new logical expression. This is called the conjunction of P and Q. There are other ways of writing this. You can write it with a multiplication or just sticking them together. Some programming languages, for instance, will let you use an ampersand, or you could just write P and Q. There's lots of different ways of writing it. We'll stick with the upside down V. Sometimes it's called a wedge symbol. And that's what we'll use in this class. Okay, that's all for now.